Torrential slide value equivalent to 249.80 rands a coin. The present cost range, 244.80 - 253.77. The earlier day close, 246.42. The change was plus 3.38. Plus 1.37%. Converse rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, July 20. Cost 234 rands, high 250, low 218. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, July 21. Cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, July 24. Cost 228 rands, high 244. Low 212. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 228 rands, high 244. Low 212. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 232 rands, high 248. Low 216. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, July 27. Cost 247 rands, high 264. Low 230. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, July 28. Cost 242 rands, high 259. Low 225. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, July 31. Cost 236 rands, high 253. Low 219. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 237 rands, high 254. Low 220. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 2. Cost 238 rands, high 255, low 221. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 253 rands, high 271, low 235. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 4. Cost 260 rands, high 278. Low 242. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 254 rands, high 272, low 236. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 248 rands, high 265, low 231. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 246 rands, high 263. Low 229. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, August 10. Cost 246 rands, high 263. Low 229. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 248 rands, high 265. Low 231. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, August 14. Cost 250 rands, high 268. Low 233. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 260 rands, high 278. Low 242. In about a month torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 266 rands, high 285. Low 247. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 252 rands, high 270. Low 234. Torrential slide figure on Friday, August 18. Cost 253 rands, high 271, low 235. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. Initially cost at 244 rands, excessive cost 306. While low cost 212, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 250. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 236, change for July 3.3%. Torrential slide figure for August 2023, initially cost at 236 rands, excessive cost 285. While low cost 210, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 239. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 226, change for August 4.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023, initially cost at 226 rands, excessive cost 226. While low cost 184, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 209. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 198, change for September 12.4%. Torrential slide figure for October 2023. Before all else cost at 198 rands, excessive cost 198. While low cost 164, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 184. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 176, change for October 11.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 176 rands, excessive cost 187. While low cost 163, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 175. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 175, change for November 0.6%. Torrential slide figure for December 2023. Before all else cost at 175 rands, excessive cost 188. While low cost 164, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 176. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 176, change for December 0.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 176 rands, exorbitant cost 176. While low cost 150, the found the middle value of cost 166. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 161, change for January 8.5%. Torrential slide gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 161 rands, exorbitant cost 200. While low cost 161, the found the middle value of cost 177. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 187. Change for February 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 187 rands, exorbitant cost 203. While low cost 177, the found the middle value of cost 189. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 190. Change for spring 1.6%. Torrential slide gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 190 rands, exorbitant cost 207. While low cost 179, the found the middle value of cost 192. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 193. Change for April 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 193 rands, exorbitant cost 234. While low cost 193, the found the middle value of cost 210. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 219. Change for May 13.5%. Torrential slide conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 219 rands, excessive cost 224. While low cost 194, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 212. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 209. Change for June 4.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 209 rands.